In this video I will show you how to trade cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum and more currencies with IQ option. Welcome to this new video. I'm already logged in on the platform IQ option and you see a simple chart here. Now I will show you how to trade cryptocurrencies, how you can invest in Bitcoin with a leverage. This is very interesting for short-term traders who want to earn a lot of money with cryptocurrencies. So first of all, I'm opening a new chart here. I'm in the live account of IQ option. I will change to the demo account soon. And here we can see, if we open the menu, we can trade more than 27 cryptocurrency assets. There is a possibility to trade EOS, to trade Cardano, to trade Neo, and after the name you see this X20, for example. This means there's a leverage of 20, a maximum leverage of 20. I will show you that for example. Or if I trade the normal Bitcoin, I use the Bitcoin asset here at the moment. I will change the chart for you so you can see better what's happening here. This is a 1 hour chart. So this is actually Bitcoin chart, and yeah, I can trade this asset. This is a Bitcoin chart. I got here my balance of IQ option, and I can type the amount in what I want. For example, I got only $81 in this account. I can, for example, invest $50 into the Bitcoin. I will change to the practice account, and this is a free demo account. You can sign up for it. You will find the link in the description below. You can test the platform, you can test Bitcoin or cryptocurrency trading. And yeah, I want to show you how it works. Now I'm in the practice account, as I told you before, and I can choose an amount. For example, I want to buy for $1,000 the Bitcoin. I can buy it here or I can sell it here. There's a multiplier, so that means I triple my investment amount. If I use the multiplier of 3, I triple it. If I'm using the multiplier of 10, you see this, I'm using the trading volume of 10K. So I calculate this X10. This is the leverage. IQ option provides you this free leverage, so you can trade more money than your investment amount and make more profit. You see the point value of the Bitcoin here, and yeah, you can buy or sell it. Another interesting option is, if you click on auto close, you can set profit percentage, profit in money or asset price to automated closing this trade. You can say, I buy here, and if the price drops below there, I go out of the trade, I quit the trade automatically. And you also see here the spread. This is a $200 spread of the Bitcoin. If we change it to Bitcoin 100, we got a very low spread here. This is much better. I recommend you to trade the Bitcoin 100 asset. So this is the same chart like before. This is the same chart, you see it. And what is the difference here? We got a multiplier of 100. That means now I'm trading 100K if I'm investing $1,000. If I'm investing $100, I'm trading the volume of 10K like in the asset before. In the normal Bitcoin asset, this is the same value, but I only invest $100. So you can trade the asset Bitcoin 100 with a leverage of 100. That means 100 x 100 means 10K investing volume. So here's also this option of auto close and expiration time of the trading position. Why is that expiration time? Because IQ makes the risk management, and yeah, leverage of 100 is super high, it's very high, but you can trade the loss trade. So for this example I will zoom in, and you see here the spread, the normal price, and the two lines here. This is the spread because IT option won't earn money if you're trading on their platform, so they charge this spread. I will now make an example trade for you. I say, okay, I want buy here, my stop loss